Today I'm finally going out to take some photos. I'll be using the Sony 7200 f4 lens. I got this before quarantine started and I have had 0 chances to use it, so hopefully I'll be able to put that to the test today. I'll be meeting up with the boys at our hiking grounds, and then I'll just take you guys along with me.
We made it, Vince. We're here. I'm wearing f***ing jeans.
Holy shit!
We made it with the boys. I gotta hit up bug spray.
Miserable.
We're ready to go.
Like 105 today.
All right, so we made it to our first spot. We're here at this bridge. So I'm gonna set up with the new Sony 70-200, and then I'll get some shots.
I gotta tie my shoe.
All right, we just finished up our first location. We're gonna head over to a waterfall and take some more pictures with the new lens.
You want me to? Here. I'll hold it.
We made it. Second location. We're heading to a waterfall. Hopefully it's not too crowded and we get some good shots. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my god, we made it. I'm done for today. I'll go back and show off the photos, pack up and go home. I'm covered in sweat from that. That is way too much. All right, I'll update you when I get back.
We made it. I'm back from that hike. Yeah, I was drenched in sweat. I'm so glad I brought this lens with me. It took amazing photos. We could really isolate our subject out of 200 millimeters, make it so you can't really see anyone else. So I'll throw up some more photos at the end. However, since we got there at like noon, it was midday, there was a lot of harsh shadows and the photos came out good, but they weren't as great as I wanted them to be. So we'll have to go back there at sunrise or sunset in a part 2. Links for music and other stuff will be in the description. Thank you for watching and making it to the end, so I'll see you in the next one.